5 genius ways to make money with ChatGPT. So I will be showing you in this video the ways to make money with ChatGPT. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel as well as turning that bell icon on so you'll be updated and notified when there is new uploads in this channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you 5 ways on how to make money with ChatGPT, and each of the 5 ways will be discussed and explained on how it will help you in making money with your ChatGPT. So if you are using ChatGPT and want to make money, so this is the perfect video for you. So if you want to learn in this video, stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. And then without further ado, let's start with this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you ways, and these are good because it is profitable, and in this way of making money you don't need any capital to start. So you just need some required skills or some knowledge on how to operate ChatGPT, and as well as basic understanding of the methods and the concepts of the things that I am going to show you today. So idea number 1 is to create a branding agency. So what is a branding agency? A branding agency is a business that helps other business in setting up their business or their business. So if a branding agency is hired, it will help a business in choosing their name, their logo, as well as writing their website, and also in writing their statements on what the business is doing. So another thing is that ChatGPT is helpful and it can do many things. So if you want to create a branding agency, you can just create with the help of your ChatGPT. So on how to do it, just ask ChatGPT. So you can just type in ChatGPT to help you in creating a branding agency, and it will help you in creating a business name, a business logo, and also a business website for your client. So the main advantage here is that ChatGPT is a conversational AI. So if you tell the ChatGPT or the AI something, it will remember it, and if you add ideas, it will just give you more ideas from the previous ones, and it will give you the desired outcome. So moving on to our idea number 2, and that is building apps and selling them to businesses. So ChatGPT, if you don't know, is connected to an API, which basically is a connection or a cloud where databases and the internet is connected. And also if you want to create a website, you can have this. So another one is that ChatGPT, you can ask it to create or help you in creating a customer chat support or any other apps. So for example, I am going to show you that you can just ask on creating a support chatbot with ChatGPT, and it will prompt you some of these results, which will help you on to create your website. And if you are into coding, well, this is the right idea for you, since you have an idea on how to code websites, and with the help of ChatGPT, it can also help you in providing the codes and setting up your application in order for you to sell them to many businesses and to other websites which they needed. For example, a chat support bot, which is very efficient and very simple for making money, since it is needed in many types of businesses. So let's go now to idea number 3, and that is writing articles or creating or content writing. So if you are into freelancing or any job that contains writing, but if you don't have any skills in writing, or you have skills but you are not that good, well, there is ChatGPT for you to help in this kind of problem. So in ChatGPT, you can just type in any content or any topic, and it will let you have some content for you, and it will give you the right content and write topics that you have asked for your content for your YouTube or for your blog, for your social medias, and then ChatGPT will help you in this. But I recommend that if you ask ChatGPT for content or for writing articles, you have to proofread it as well, since ChatGPT sometimes prompts the same content from different computers or different accounts, since it has the same database all over the world. But if that's the case, even though that's the case for ChatGPT, it is still a great help for you in starting your article writing career, since if you don't have any experience or idea on where to start, ChatGPT will also give you a guide and will give you some pointers on how to do it, and in this way you can have your guide and start your freelancing or article writing career. So let's go to idea number 4, selling on Amazon, and this is to sell how-to books. So you can sell books in Amazon without any knowledge or any experience in writing books with the help of ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT is very versatile and it has all of the knowledge on its database, you can create a book by just asking it. So examples of how-to books are like creating a pottery, creating stained glass, doing origami, baking, and cookbooks are also considered as how-to books. So you can make these books on your own by um, by using content that is provided by ChatGPT. So you can just ask or prompt in ChatGPT such as create me a cookbook with Italian dishes. So simply um, ChatGPT will give you your desired outcomes, and it will give you recipes, and in these recipes you can just copy it and put it in a editor where you can lay out the recipes and the procedures and put it in a book, and you can sell it in Amazon as a digital product, which you can also make money from. So it is very simple and effective way of selling or making money with the help of ChatGPT. So that's why I consider this idea as one of the, or was one of the, or not, if not the easiest idea out of these ideas that I am showing you. So you can try this one if you want to sell in Amazon, and if you don't have any experience in writing but have the passion for it. So the last idea would be to start an email and marketing company, and this idea is one of the easiest, but it is also one of the most profitable idea that I am showing you. So if you want to learn this, there is actually tutorials in YouTube on how to create a email marketing company, but you can also use ChatGPT on guiding you on how to set this up or set your company up and how to run it smoothly and guide you throughout all the process. So that's it on the 5 ideas on how to use ChatGPT in making money. So I hope this video tutorial and guide has helped you, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.